just asking. Allow. Just asking. Just 1 minute. Kapil sir. Kapil sir, am I audible? Just a minute.
मेरा काफी रखा था कंपटीशन लगा मैं नीचे नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ जाऊंगा अरे संगीत का
ठीक ठीक Bhanu ma'am, so are you able to unmute now? Am I audible? Hello, Bhanu ma'am. Are you able to unmute yourself? I think 1 minute.
Yes, now, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, good. So this is afternoon session of day 4, and we are in technological advancement in higher education system (FDP), and it's half of the journey is over. It was 8 days long FDP, and out of 8 days we completed 4 days. And study itself we heard Bhanu ma'am. So and it was very learning experience and having a very rich experience in gaming designing metaverse application. So once again, for the new participants, I want to introduce briefly Bhanu ma'am. So Bhanu ma'am is assistant professor at Chitkara University and working in Curing department, that is University Research and Innovation Network and Punjab campus. He armed with the PhD in Electronics and Communication department and completed PhD from the Dr. She has 1 minute, please.
Sometimes your voice is lagging, sir.
अच्छा, voice is lagging. Okay. कैमरा बंद कर दूं थोड़े समय के लिए?
No, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Interruption. So a total 23 years of long career spanning research, product development, teaching, and training. Her primary focus lies in realms of augmented reality for K-12 education, demonstrating expertise in curriculum designing and development, problem-based learning, project-based learning, collaborative learning, and pedagogical innovations. With a diverse range of research interests, ABC, Academic Bank of Credit, delves into augmented reality, virtual reality, K-12 education, brain-computer interface, human-computer interaction, computer vision, the Internet of Things, IoT, embedded system, virtual instrumentation, and artificial intelligence. Her scholarly contributions extend to over 38 publications in repeated journals, conferences, and completed impressive portfolio of 62 national patents and 1 international patents that is granted. So beyond her academic achievements, Dr. Banu has facilitated over 30 national and international workshops on cutting-edge topics such as augmented reality, virtual reality, embedded systems, and IoT. Recognizing her education and collaborative spirit, she received the most committed, most collaborative, and the most entrepreneur accolade in the Excellence Award at Chitkara University, Punjab. She received 50 plus lakhs grant funding from the various government and different private agencies. Overall, Dr. Banu emerged a multidimensional academician, contributing significantly to the intersection of the technology and education. So we welcome you, ma'am. So in this FDP, and we are eager to hear you over here. And so I request you. So now, so enlighten this session with your valuable thoughts and so technologies. So thank you, ma'am. Once again, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for it's a nice introduction. So just wait, I am starting my session. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
My screen is visible. Just wait.
Yes, it's coming. Yes, it's visible now.
Yes, sir. Just wait. Tell me, slide is changing.
Changing.
Yes, ma'am. Slides are changing, but make it in a full view mode, ma'am. Yeah, it's good, ma'am.
I put it. Actually, just I'm checking, sir. It's all working or not.
Yeah,
Right?
it's good, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
it's good.
you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. So, you already covered game design in education and what are the fundamentals of game designing. Because these are the first steps towards the gaming perspective, right? So we already studied about the AR, VR, and MR. These are immersive technologies, disruptive technologies. So now this new term is come metaverse. So what is metaverse and what are the applications of metaverse in education? So this is very important to know
Ma'am,
these things.
excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry to interrupt, but can you please switch on your camera?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just wait, sir. Actually, sometimes my voice is lagging. Just wait. Yes. Yes, sir. Now it is okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
wait. Now. Okay. So this is the just I put the yes. So this is the outline of today's session. So let's see what topics we will cover in a short span. So I already told about the immersive and interactive technology lab. Then the introduction of metaverse we will cover. Then application and what challenges we are facing when we are making metaverse related applications. So now, first of all, metaverse in education. So basically, this is a very new approach and innovative approach, immersive learning and teaching approach in our educational sector. So this is a this is a combination of various technologies. So in education, it provides visualization and virtual field trips, right? Distant learning and accessibility. With the help of metaverse, we can visualize the long distances. So we will go for a virtual field trip, distanced learning and accessibility. Then there is option of virtual labs and experiments, 3D simulations and immersive learning, right? And digital classrooms and holograms. So these are some benefits of metaverse, right? Now one thing is come in our mind. First of all, because we are discussing about the metaverse application in education. So what is metaverse, right? So I just actually just wait. Yes. So what is metaverse? So I quickly review these things. Okay, metaverse is a basically virtual world in which peoples can enter in a virtual world, digital world, computer generated world, right? So this is an artificial environment. So it combines various technologies, latest technologies like AR, VR, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence. And one importance is Internet of Things. So this basically concept is not a new, because augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, these are very you can say these technologies come in a sector in 18th, right, 18th century. So, Metaverse basically American science fiction writer Neil Stephen then described the metaverse in his novel Snow Crush. So he used this term in Snow Crush, right? After that, these things come into the form of technology. So, with the help of metaverse, we can create virtual world, virtual classroom, virtual shops, showrooms, right? Virtual gardens. So we can experience these things in a single place, at a single place, right? So I'm just quickly covering what is metaverse, right? After that, we will go for our metaverse applications in a education sector, right? So these are the layers of metaverse when we are making metaverse applications. So these are important layers. First is networking. This is infrastructure layer, right? Then computing process, then interactivity, digital twins. This is the combination of hardware, software, blockchain, AI. So in networking part, networking layer, data processing and storage terms are come. So we can process the data and store the data on the cloud based system, right? Then interactivity, sorry, computing, data processing and storage is also done in second layer. Then interactivity, with the help of AR, VR, MR, XR and brain computer interface, we can interact with the virtual world. Our virtual avatars come in the into the application and they interact with each other. So we already covered na virtual reality, augmented reality. I think you covered in the last session na. So there is need of to tell about the virtual reality or not?
Uh,
So
yes, ma'am.
I quickly tell about these technologies or not, sir? VR, AR, MR, because these are very important technologies when we are
Yeah, yeah.
making the metaverse, right?
Uh, so briefly,
I will give some examples with the help of visualizations, right? I will give examples, right? So interaction we will be done with the help of these immersive technologies. This creates the immersive environment in an interactive environment in metaverse application. Then there is digital twins. So these are the this is basically related to the hardware section. So high fidelity simulated spaces. So in this we can create 3D simulations, 3D modeling and robotics simulations also. then blockchain technology, and then AI. Blockchain is technology basically uses the NFTs and smart contract. This is related to that thing. If we are making a showroom, we made a showroom, right, in a metaverse. So I just want to purchase a car on a virtual space, right? I enter the virtual showroom and I just select the car, and I just book that car. So the information goes to the real time showroom owner. So this is that's why and I just fill the they gave the down payment. So these all things goes to the showrooms account. So then artificial intelligence, because there is a large number of data, then there is need of connectivity, there is need of internet, high end of internet. So artificial intelligence is also used in these applications. So these are the layers, and now you can see we will discuss these challenges in a when we are discussing about metaverse in education sector, right? Actually there is some problem when I go back, right? So you can make you will make applications for subject for history, geography, arts, astronomy, science, and literature. So all these subjects will covered in a metaverse. So these subjects are related to the K-12 education as well as the higher secondary or engineering also, right? What is metaverse? Basically, this is a dynamic and interconnected virtual universe or virtual scenes that combines augmented reality, virtual reality to create a shared immersive space. You can see here, these are the avatars, and this is all. This is the virtual environment, right? So, in a real time, we are experience the virtual. So that's why it is very near to the augmented reality. Virtual reality, basically all things are in a virtual form, right? Now you can see here, I will brief everything here. So these are the technological components of metaverse. Virtual reality, basically virtual reality, this is a totally computer generated environment, digital environment, you can say. So in this we can make simulations. It has three types. Virtual reality has three types: semi immersive, immersive, and non immersive. So these all things are virtual. You can experience this with the help of HNDs if you want to experience the immersive virtual environment. If the video games you are saying, that is non-immersive. So my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, coming.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sometimes it is actually
No, no, coming. It's very clear.
yes, second is augmented reality, right? In augmented reality, you can overlay digital information onto the real world. Basically, if you can say augmented reality has two types: marker based or markerless. If you are scanning any marker with the help of the phone, right? If I have a marker and I'm scanning with the phone, then the digital information, computer generated application shows on the mobile screen or in the tablet. So this you can say in AR we are overlaying the digital content on the real world. So it enhances the user perception of the physical environment. Then 3D environment. What is 3D environment? Because these are the very important component of metaverse. 3D environment, naturally three-dimensional graphics to create immersive and interactive environment. Because when we are talking about metaverse, because this is a totally virtual world, so there is requirement of high-end graphics. So if we are sitting in a conference room, right? So this is not just a 2D 2D showcase, right? So we just want to create a realistic environment, virtual environment. So there is a need of high-end graphics. So these spaces can range from virtual classrooms to the virtual world. So we can make virtual classrooms as well as with the help of modeling software like Autodesk Maya, Blender, Autodesk into a virtual world. Then avatars. Avatar is a digital representation of particular user like teacher, student, and the industrialist, every. So digital representation of a user is called avatar. So avatars also individuals to navigate and interact with the virtual environment. So he is wholly solely in the virtual environment, providing a sense of presence and identity. I will show you one video, one convocation held in a BITS Pilani that is based on a metaverse. Students are sitting in different cities and states in India, and they attend that convocation. Right. I will show you in between this session. Right. Then blockchain technology. So it's decentralized and secure ledger technology that can use to authenticate ownership of virtual assets. Authenticate of virtual assets mean if you are visiting, for example, any showroom, right? So I put some phones there. I visited a mobile shop, right? Virtual mobile shop. There are number of different type of mobiles are showing in our on a particular table: iPhone, Android, Redmi, right? These all are virtual 3D models of that phones, right? So I just now you can see that is a decentralized and secure ledger for a virtual assets, create digital currencies, model create the iPhone model, 3D model, right? When I entered or when I visited that showroom and I just like that virtual model, so I will pay for that virtual model also. Then these amount goes to that particular modeler. So one very important thing also, there are virtual car racing also. Car racers choose their car according to their interest, right? So there are lots of things are going on. And one I remember one model is about if a high end model, very looking in very good, that is about 10,000, right? So one person spent 10,000 on virtual car model, 3D model, right? Virtual car, you can say. So it create digital currencies and ensure the security of transactions within a metaverse. So in the first case, you can say this is a virtual reality example. He wears the headset and communicate the virtual words, see the virtual environment. And this is the metaverse example. This is avatars of teacher, and he's teaching any subject with the help of metaverse technology. And this is the example of mixed reality. In mixed reality, this person is wearing some device, you can say HoloLens. This is HoloLens. With the help of this, the 3D structure of a human appears in front of that person. So you can see there is no need of any controller in this virtual reality. There is need of controller. In second part, in mixed reality, the camera senses our gestures. We can expand, we can zoom in, zoom out with the help of our hand gestures, because the device sensors sense our gestures and and change the models which are appearing on the screen. This is also a metaverse world. So with the help of Oculus Quest, Meta Quest, you can visit this virtual world. So this is blockchain technology, which is very important when you are playing with the metaverse. You can say exploring the metaverse, and you can creating metaverse application and using that metaverse application. Now evolution of virtual spaces. So it starts in 1990s. Then massively multiplayer online games come in market, then social media and virtual handouts come in market, then advancement in VR and AR come into the picture in 2010, right? Then rise of metaverse is concept is coming to 20, because now VR, AR, MR is used in every sector: defense, agriculture, education. In every sector, we are using VR, AR, and MR, right? For advertisement, for innovations, for teaching, for learning. So then metaverse concept comes in into the market, or come in a picture in 2020. So basically, this is a combination of integration of AI and machine learning techniques, because there is a high end. We are using high end graphics in metaverse application, and there is need of communication of these avatars. No? So there is need of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Okay. So these are some current challenges in traditional system, and need why there is need for innovative application solutions. Just this. Just wait, sir. So my voice is coming.
Coming,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, sir. Just wait करो बेटा बाहर. So you can see these are current challenges in traditional education system. So limited accessibility. So many students faces challenges for assessing these quality of education due to geographical, economic, and socio-economic constraints. Some are living in villages, and some are very much not aware. You can say don't. They are not aware about the latest technologies. Then engagement issues. Traditional classroom methods may struggle to captivate and engage students. So these leads to the decrease, you can say decrease in interest, है ना, and participation. They lose their interest in a topic. So one size fits all approach. That means the conventional education system model often lacks of customization. So this makes challenges to accommodate the diverse learning styles and paces. So there is need for innovative solutions. So rapid technological advancements are going on. The modern era demands a shift towards innovative solutions to align the educators as well as the students, right, with the fast paced evolution of technology. Then preparing for the future, because children are living in a tech world. So to meet the demands of rapidly changing workforce, so education system needs to involve these equipment in our educational system to equip students with relevant real world skills, right? The naturally global collaboration. So in an interconnected world, so fostering to global collaboration and cultural understanding is essential for students to thrive in diverse environments, right? So you can say, so there is need of some technological advancement in educate for setting educational goals. Now, why metaverse? Now we will discuss about the metaverse as a educational tool. So this is a virtual space for collaborative and immersive learning, right? So basically, metaverse is very dynamic, digital space, right? Which helps the traditional learning systems within boundaries and providing immersive and collaborative environment, right? So immersive learning environment, personalized learning paths, then breaking geographical barriers. If you are sitting in Haryana or Punjab, you can communicate with the person who are sitting in a USA, UK, right? Then active learning environment. So these all things under a virtual environment. We totally talking about the virtual environment, right? Then breaking real world application. So in this we can add some real world application, visit to the showroom, visit to the laboratory, right? So integrating metaverse technologies prepare students for the digital era. So this aligns the education with the skill needed for future, because everything is related to the real world, right? Then positive classroom dynamics. Naturally, the if we are using these technological advancement in our classroom, so the students feel very positive about the course, about the concept. This is the example of metaverse. If we are create first of all, we are creating virtual classrooms, right, in education. If our talking we are talking about the marketing sector, so then we are creating virtual showrooms for metaverse experience, right? So there is a difference between these two things. So this is dynamic learning spaces. So in virtual classrooms, you can go beyond the traditional settings and offering dynamic and customizable environment for a learning. You can see here, right? So these all are avatars, and this is the example of virtual classroom. Then engaging gameplay, right? So this is also very important. So in this you are connected and gives quiz to the student, and real time you can interact with the students. Then multimedia interaction. In real time interaction, our avatars are communicating with each other. These are teachers avatars and these are the students avatars. Then multimedia integration. So these classrooms often incorporate multimedia elements for enhancing the learning experience with interactive presentation, 3D models, immersive content. All things comes in a one space. So if I am creating in a virtual classroom, so I will create here blackboard also, and my avatar is also teaching the students, and the students also able to see that particular blackboard, and I'm teaching virtually to the student. So this is the combination of e-learning concept and AR technology, VR technology. So that's why it is called multimedia integration. So these are some benefits of real time interaction and engagement, because we are talking about real time interaction, immersive environment, interactive environment. So what are the benefits of this? So it enhanced collaboration, right? Global connectivity. Then interactivity. Here is enhanced creativity. As I just add creativity, right? Innovation, enhanced innovation skills of the student. Now these are some platforms which supporting the virtual classroom, right? Meta Horizon workrooms, alt space VR, then Verbela. Engage. You can see the examples of these virtual metaverse based platforms uh, in below figures. So basically, this metaverse application is used for a virtual meeting space. You can see here. This is a workroom for educators and students together collaborate and conduct class in an immersive 3D environment. You can see here. These are avatars. They are discussing some important point. Then all space VR, hosting virtual events including educational session, lectures, and workshop with features that facilitate real-time communication. I think last month or in this year, some event is also held in a foreign, that is musical concert, that is totally based on metaverse, right? Then this is Verbela offering virtual campus environments. This is where students can attend classes, interacted with peer groups, and actively participate in virtual activity and creating a sense of community. So this is for creating virtual classroom, virtual uh, campus for our students, right? Then this enables educator to create and deliver virtual reality applications, allowing students to join classes using VR headset. There is need of Oculus Rift, Oculus Quest, Meta Quest, virtual reality based HMDs for an immersive and interactive learning experience. So VR headsets mean when you are using a Meta Quest or a Oculus Quest, then you felt you are entered in a virtual classroom, and then you can interact with the other person's avatar, right? So this is very impressive and interactive teaching and learning experience. We can experienced with the face of with the help of this technology. Now this is immersive learning experiences with the help of metaverse. Very good immersive. My slide is changing, sir.
No, ma'am.
I think there is connection issue. Yes, sir. Think every.
Right now, not visible, but it was visible just a moment back.
Mm,
Right now, it's not visible. Just this is on.
मैं दोबारा एक जस्ट सर दोबारा चेक करती हूँ. Now it is coming. हाँ सर, sometimes unable to allowing students to explore places and concepts that might be impractical, and you can see this is the
It's not
totally
visible,
you can say
ma'am.
inside he or she can visit the laboratory with the help of metaverse,
Uh,
so realistic
Excuse me,
simulations.
ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes sir.
Your PPT is not visible. Are you presenting? Are you sharing?
Yes sir, I'm presenting, sir. That's why I know sometimes off my
I think so.
sir,
My
actually
side,
I'm presenting.
it's,
Actually
from my side, it's not.
just wait sir, sorry.
Just check your slide sharing.
Yes sir.
Share a screen. Just check. Now it's presenting.
I okay.
Now it's presenting. Okay, ma'am. Now it's okay. Mhm.
Okay sir. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes sir.
It's all virtual environment.
Yes sir,
So
yes sir, this is all virtual environment. So
uh,
immersive simulation provide a safe and controlled environment. If you are visiting a chemistry lab, right, aerospace laboratory, right? So chemical industry. So this is a very safe environment to understand the chemistry and chemical compositions in a virtual space. Right, sir? So this
yes,
is a interactive exploration. Through the metaverse, students can interact with the historical site. You can see here. This is a historical site. So this conduct a scientific experiment, and these are scientific experiment explore various subjects. So you can say how this application is very rich up to K-12 education, in art subject, in engineering, every education sector, right? So this is a very you can say very innovative technologies for education sector. So, in this virtual environment, there are interactive laboratories. So, these virtual lab offers hands-on experience in a digital environment, synthetic environment, to enabling students to conduct experiments, manipulate virtual equipment, and analyze the result. Right. Then creative. I already told you creative exploration. Students can build experiment with virtual prototypes, fostering creativity and innovation in a risk-free environment. This is very safe environment. if you are adding some chemicals, right, you are connecting some electronic components, electrical components or electrical motors. You know, the electrical is 420 volts. If we are creating a metaverse based or VR based electrical laboratory, so this is a very safe environment for students. He or she can conduct, or you can say conduct and do the practicals in this virtual environment, and it then he or she can create lots of innovations. Then practical skill development, naturally, when the students are doing the practicals with their own experiences, and they create some innovations, so their practical skills also increased. So immersive learning allows for the development and reinforced of practical skills, ensuring students are well prepared for the real world. So you can see these all technologies are starting from a K-12 kindergarten to K-5, then K-8, then K-12 education, then vocational training, in which the users can enhance their skills. Then other trainings, medical, defense. So these are wonderful technologies, you can say. If we use these technologies in a right way, then we create wonders. So enhancing practical skills through immersion. So skill, you can see here, immersive experiences enables the transfer of skills from virtual environments to the real world scenarios. So it bridging the gap between the theory and the practical work, right? So this you can say these technologies move the lab into a classroom. Then critical thinking, immersion promotes critical thinking by presenting students with challenges that require problem solving skills, encouraging a deeper understanding of concept. One thing I want to add, yesterday we discussed about the importance of game design in education. No? What is gamification, and what is game based learning, right? So here we are discussing about the game. We made game with the help of AR, VR, or a metaverse. We are making game for augmented reality, virtual reality, and for a metaverse. So these are different aspects. Basically, these are when we are thinking about game-based learning. Na, then first of all, we will think about which technology we will follow. We will follow augmented reality, we will follow virtual reality, or we will go for a metaverse. Because if we are targeting the schools, right, schools, some schools which are not you can say the students will not afford high end devices, so we will go for a virtual reality based simulations or augmented reality based application. First preference is augmented reality based applications, right? Then virtual reality based applications, simulations. If they afford the high end devices, then we go for a HMDs, immersive virtual environment. Go for a immersive virtual environment, right? Then after these, if we are able to uh, buy, you can say we are able to use the high end devices, then there is metaverse. We will use metaverse technology in education, right? So anyhow, practical immersive experiences enhance engagement and information retention, making learning more enjoyable and effective. So these all things enhance the practical skills of the students and the users. So I will show you now one video, a real-time video of BITS Pilani. Actually, my student convocation was held in BITS Pilani. My PhD scholar. I just show you that. Uh, just wait. Just wait. I'm sharing. Rahil. Yes. Video is visible, na? Not visible. I think when I am switching the screen, na, then this automatically unshare the screen. Now screen is visible. Na, visible screen is visible.
Not
Na?
visible. Not visible. Hmm.
Now,
You may share your entire screen.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I always shared my entire screen. Now visible?
I think no.
नहीं, visible ना? Now this is
Visible,
visible.
visible.
Video is visible.
Convocation. Yeah, convocation is. Huh,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, sir. This convocation na totally on metaverse. Just
Okay.
I want to show this. You can see here. I just
Intermediate. Oh,
add
great, great.
video. Sir, this is
Huh, huh.
Bits Pilani convocation held
Oh,
in a 2000. Yes, sir. This year only. You can see here. So
oh, great,
these
great.
are virtual avatars. Now you
Oh,
can see the
yeah. Real
so
involvement, eh?
you can see, yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are high-end graphics they are using. You can see this is like a realistic environment. Now the screen is coming, projector is coming, the
Yeah,
ID and name of the degree of program,
yeah. Virtual
total
involvement.
information displayed on that thing. Now I
Uh,
will show you one thing.
Students' name are here.
Yes,
Thereafter,
yes, sir. Yes,
degrees
sir.
are
This,
here,
yes, sir. I just show
and
you.
faculty are sitting on chairs.
Yes, sir. I
Uh,
just show you. Sir, a voice is here. You just see.
uh,
I will.
but video voice is not here. Your voice
Sir,
is clear.
video is coming, sir.
Video is coming, but voice of video is not coming.
May I just wait, sir. Now we will wait for some time. Just see.
It's very good.
Now name is and clapping voice is also coming. You can see.
Yes, yes, it's coming. It's coming.
Now the name of next student is also come. Is actually my PhD scholar who attended this metaverse convocation
Yeah.
this year. Zarail
Sanjeev.
Sharma. Yes, sir. Just wait.
So,
Yes, this is my actually student.
Master of Technology.
Yes, sir. He actually did my MTech from a Bits Pilani. You can see this.
Good, good, good.
And this his virtual avatar is like his only.
Mhm.
We are not. You can see the information is displayed on this
Mhm.
thing. So
Very,
this is the
very good.
now you can see this is the combination of augmented reality.
Yeah.
I will.
No, it's very good. I think during COVID time, it was very useful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
And
just
even what happening in the convocation, some students might place abroad or might place some very remote area.
yes,
So
sir.
they having very difficulty to
Yes, sir.
face the physical convocation.
Yes, sir.
So it's
Sir,
very useful. Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, one thing more, na, you can say कि these type of technology, you can say innovative technologies are now we are implementing in our country, our India, right? So
Yeah.
you can see this is our India
Hmm.
convocation, which is totally organized with the help of Metaverse.
Hmm.
So,
That's a
so
great
this is
achievement.
the importance of this technology. So I
Yeah.
just collect this video from him, and I just want to show what is metaverse.
So where the voice is also suppose students is saying something, so that voice is also
Yes, sir.
immediate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Their voice is also come. You
Their
can say,
voice
na,
already.
if I am talking to you, right?
Hmm.
We are creating virtual environment here, right?
Hmm.
So if you are sitting in a Chitkara University, Himachal Pradesh, है ना?
Yeah.
Himachal Pradesh campus, Himachal campus, and I
Hmm.
am talking to you. So if you are wearing headset for immersive environment, my virtual avatar uh,
Yeah.
comes in front of you, and if
Yeah.
I'm saying these things na to you,
Hmm.
then you are listening. So our real time communication is also
Yeah.
feasible in a metaverse application. That's why na
Right.
we
Right.
are creating
Hmm.
virtual classroom in a real
Hmm.
world.
जी, जी,
So this is the
जी.
importance of this technology. Some there are some free links also on that side, free sites also. On that side you can register and log in, and you can experience experience this technology. Just I to show this, just wait. I'm just opening that site now. Just if Metaverse. Actually, sometime my net is slow. Just wait. Trying. I just want to show you online free site of this. Just wait.
I think these are the challenges in the such virtual environment or any metaverse, because data and network is the important infrastructure.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this technology are fully dependent upon the network and bandwidth.
Sir, basically, sir, this is the combination of AR, VR, and artificial intelligence. Basically, when you are creating the metaverse-based application, you can see. I just sharing my screen again. Because in this we are using different layers, different technologies, different layers have every layer is responsible for the or their work, like artificial intelligence for communication of avatars, AR VR for AR VR MR, or is responsible for creating 3D environment and making the interactive and immersive environments, right? And blockchain technology is used for the sale or purchase, for the sales or and purchasing of the digital assets, and to experience the digital tools also. Just wait. I
Hello, ma'am.
If any questions, please.
Participants may ask any query, any questions. Kapil sir, you may ask any question.
No, sir.
Actually, sir, just start doing something on these technology. First of all, you just try the augmented reality based application for you choose any subject like computer networks, right? For understanding of Python also, you just pick any subject and try to create some content for AR or VR based application. So I just suggest these are very innovative and immersive technologies. Just go ahead and explore and use these technologies in your teaching and your learning. And these technologies creating moving in educational sector.
Yeah. Acha, ma'am, no, like you shown here, frameever.io.
Frame
This
VR,
website.
sir. Frame VR.
Frame VR, yeah. So
Frame IO. Frame IO. Yes,
is
sir.
it open access
No,
mode
sir.
or?
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, when I entered this, now you see 8 frames are only for me for trial.
Okay,
So I'll just we will purchase this system if we want to create metaverse based applications.
okay. So is there any application available for students for freely available in open source mode for their learning purpose?
So for learning purpose, if they want to explore, they just go for a first of all frame VR, or I showed some applications in our slides. They
Yeah,
actually there are applications, metaverse based applications for a particular purpose, right? One application is for creating a virtual campus, and
yeah,
virtual campus and their classrooms and virtual based activities, right? I
yeah.
showed you one. I just show you in my presentation. I show. Yes, you can see.
Yeah,
Yes. So you can see, for if we are if we want virtual meeting space, then we go for a meta horizon, because metaverses come from this metas. So if we want to host the virtual events, right, including
yeah,
educational sessions, lecture, workshops, then we go for a uh, uh, or space VR, right? Every application, not a particular till now, not a particular application is made for a particular subject,
yeah.
right, sir? In
Yes,
on
ma'am.
frame VR, you experience the metaverse applications.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. There are some free campus tours are available on for a Oculus Quest or MetaQuest. You can download and experience that the metaverse as I
yeah,
share with you. Yes, there are some free applications also for experiences metaverse.
yeah. So by this way, can we reduce the cost of like foreign visit or studying
Yes,
in the
yes,
foreign university?
yes, yes, yes,
Suppose
yes,
many
definitely.
students are going Canada, USA, or they are not able to afford the foreign degrees. So can this way the cost of reduction can be made?
Yes, sir, definitely. We will connect with the foreign professors, and we will benefit it from their experiences. Yes, definitely.
Yeah, but there is one challenge. So one major challenge, na. So what happening? So there is some network issue. There is some bandwidth issue. There is some if camera is not open, not on. So in the on the other side, suppose we are meeting. This is a virtual meeting. So though camera is not open, so we can't see. So whether they are serious or not
No,
serious.
sir. No, I just interrupt you.
Hmm.
Actually, when I'm wearing any headset, right?
Hmm.
If I'm visiting a foreign campus, if I want to visit the foreign campus, right? So I
Yeah.
just wear the some device, Oculus or MetaQuest, you can say.
Yeah.
There are some HMDs for experiencing these technologies. So there is no need of actually that is inbuilt system which
Hmm.
provides us the intermediate section to interact with that interact with that professors, right?
Yeah.
We are wearing that headset, and we can see our avatars is moving on in a virtual campus,
Yeah.
right?
Oh.
So internet connectivity is very important. That is a big challenge. That is a big challenge. Yes.
But if there is interaction one-to-one mode, so monitoring is possible. But if we are addressing a class, a school, a class, so it's very difficult. So out of 60 students, and in the virtual mode, there might be 100 more than 100, 200 participants. So it's very difficult. So one is hearing or not. We can see the faces, or we can't see whether audio is whether he is listening some music or not. We can't until unless he or she interacting someone. Otherwise, he may be listening some music, some other thing, or maybe playing game. So there are challenges. Yeah.
So number of challenges are also here, but it depends upon we are using hardware or we are not using hardware. If we are using, you can
Yeah.
say, if I'm saying you the two students, you can say 10 students are wearing Oculus Quest, है ना?
Yeah.
Oculus some device, right? So if they are, you can say, I just send ki just open this application, they open that particular application, है ना? And then
Yeah.
I'm able to see what they are doing, what they are actually. I'm prompting the questions and some informations and some points, so they can click and address as respond to me, right? So that's why now that is
Mhm.
very important. We are understand the concept in a very very good way. So
Yeah.
challenges are there are technical challenges are more.
Yeah.
Challenges are more.
Hmm.
Technical
Otherwise, a
challenge.
very revolutionary future technology,
Yes,
because
sir. Yes.
I think so. As 5G, so it just being popular. 6G also about to develop, about to launch. So India had filed patent for the 6G indigenous technology. So in future, in coming 5 or 10 years, virtual reality might be going very common. So
So that's why I talked about the layers about metaverse. So in that metaverse infrastructure is very important, right? Then in infrastructure you can say that 5G or 6G is basic requirement. Then there is need of a 3D content, 3D
yeah,
technologies, right? So metaverse is a very, you can say, a combination of the various technologies: AI, blockchain, AR, VR, MR, NFTs, everything. Then we will combine the metaverse comes. So that's why there are technical challenges we are facing now, because
yeah,
synchronization is very important. Now if you are creating some simple circuit, right, for example, so there
Mhm.
is lots of noises are coming, है ना? There is a need of proper synchronization of signals. So that's why I'm saying there are some technical challenges are also in this technology, but this is very useful for educational sector.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having enlightened the session so today and study itself and
Thank
game
you.
designing and metaverse and very detailed and practical demonstration. So hands-on session. And so we hope in the coming future in the universities as well, more and more lab practicals courses may be introduced, because I think so still metaverse courses are not introduced in many of the universities. Okay, so these type of courses might be introduced, and it's a, research area, future research areas as well. So thank you, Bhanu ma'am,
Thank you,
and
sir. Thank you.
yeah, thank the
Thank you.
audience, all the participants,
So if you
and
have any requirement from any sites,
yeah,
participant side,
yeah,
they can freely contact to us for
definitely.
they are you can say
Hmm.
curious about these technologies or want to develop anything, then
Yeah,
all are welcome to us, sir.
yeah, sure,
Thanks.
ma'am, definitely, because most of the faculty members are from Chitkara University and neighborhood campuses. So, and we are accessible. Uh, okay, thank you, ma'am. So we completed now. So I think it's going 3:30, and so we completed 4th day of this FDP, and so far it's very fruitful and very knowledge sharing. So we having next session tomorrow, and at same time 10 a.m. we will be there. There will be some 2 more sessions. So I briefly describe those sessions. So tomorrow, the first session in the morning session, there is a Miss Sheetal Mavi and from Bharati College, University of Delhi, and the topic is educational research and AI, artificial intelligence. And in the afternoon session, there is again augmented reality, and that is from Dr. Amanpreet Kaur from Chitkara University. So thank you all, and so we concluded for today. And so now, thank you everyone.
Thank you,
We
sir.
now.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.